Shocking case studies. Burt's Bees. Burt's Bees is an American producer of cosmetics and natural beauty products that targets both its domestic and the international markets. Objective. Their objective was to increase product awareness as well as brand recall across the beauty community. Strategy. They promoted posts targeted at females aged between 18 and 24 in the United States using a Delight Your Lips theme. Results? They got a 15% lift in product awareness and a 16% lift in brand recall. Philadelphia. Philadelphia is a brand of cream cheese that is highly popular worldwide. Objective. Their objective was to reach out to young adults aged 25 to 40, specifically those more likely to throw casual get-together parties. Strategy. They promoted posts showcasing many types of quick, party-friendly recipes that could be easily done with Philadelphia cheese. Results? They got an 8% increase in purchase intent and a whopping 41% lift in sales. Levi's. Levi's is a classic American apparel retailer that specializes in vintage-style denim garments. Objective. Their objective was to get the brand's Instagram presence recognizable at first glance. Strategy. They used beautiful images of people aged 18 to 34 wearing their branded clothes, sharing unique moments with awesome background landscapes, thus making their brand part of the scenery. Results? Their posts were seen by 7.4 million people in the U.S. alone, and it generated a 24% increase in brand awareness among Instagram users. Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz is a well-known car manufacturer that specializes in luxury vehicles. Objective. The company's objective was to increase awareness of its new line of SUVs both among its followers and other Instagram users. Strategy. The company reached out to photographers on the platform to ask them about what they would pack for a trip in their new SUVs, and then they used the photographs produced and showcased them on posts as promotional material. Results? Their promoted post helped them to get a nice 54% increase in visits from Instagram to their website. Adidas. Adidas is a worldwide famous shoe and athletic gear manufacturer. Objective? The company's objective was to increase brand awareness across Instagram's social space. Strategy? They invited influencers as well as ordinary people to publish Adidas-inspired posts for a chance to participate in a professional photo shoot sponsored by the brand itself. Results? Adidas Neo, the Instagram account used by the company to promote the contest, gained 41,000 followers from that campaign alone. Frank Body. Frank Body is an Australian producer of beauty and skincare products. Objective? Because the company was just getting started by the time of the campaign, their objective was to create brand and product awareness. Strategy? They got bloggers, influencers, and other Instagram personalities with established followings to post pictures using their line of coffee-based exfoliating products. Results? The pictures soon became viral, and the company's Instagram account got a whopping 350,000 followers as well as over 25,000 user-generated posts in the span of only 12 months. Bloom and Wild. Bloom and Wild is a UK-based company that sends flowers by customer request to people's inboxes across the United Kingdom and Ireland. Objective? Their objective was to simply attract new customers and a wider audience to their new business. Strategy? They had very little following as well as a small budget, so they tested out several post formats until they discovered that using video posts to showcase their service worked best. Results? They got a 62% increase in bouquet orders as well as a spike of customers positively commenting about their services on their Instagram account. Bejeweled. Bejeweled is a popular puzzle game for mobile platforms that, alongside the likes of Candy Crush, has topped the charts. Objective? The application's developers wanted to inspire as many people as possible to download and play the app. Strategy? They got some popular Instagram influencers to share images of themselves playing the game accompanied by the Shiny Place hashtag. Results? The app climbed to the top of the charts, from position 702 to 182 in a single month, thanks to the power of Instagram. Chanel. Chanel is a French fashion house that specializes in high couture, luxury goods, and accessories. Objective. The company's objective was to promote the launch of the newest No. 5 perfume. Strategy. They invited fashion bloggers and Instagram users to document some aspects of their daily life that involve Chanel products using the new Chanel 5 and the Chanel Grass hashtags. Results? Chanel attracted over 900,000 new followers during the first month of the campaign and generated over 1,600 pieces of new content through their hashtags as well. Scotiabank. Scotiabank is one of the largest banks in Canada. Objective? The bank's objective was to create awareness about its credit card program among Instagram users aged 18 to 22. Strategy. They posted photos of neatly organized items accompanied by the Things Organized Neatly hashtag and invited young Instagram users to guess which movie those items symbolized. Results? The campaign gained a 20% increase in post recall, and the bank gained a 6% increase in brand awareness.